friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be.
It's the ABCs. It's the ABCs. And we're looking for the letter P.
Hello, penguins. Where are you going?
We're looking for the letter P. Do you see it? There it is. Good for you. Where's the other letter P? There it is. You found it.
See and say the letter P. Say P. P.
I'm taking a nap.
Leela had a strange dream. All of the colors were gone.
Oh no. Help, Chili. Hi, Leela. I can help. I brought my paints. This is a brown bird. Let's color the grass green grass. Let's color the flowers with pink and yellow and purple. Wait, what about the butterflies? Uh-oh. Let's paint them blue and purple. But wait, what about the sky? We'll paint it blue and yellow.
See and say. Say blue, blue. Yellow, yellow. Purple, purple. Green, green. Pink, pink.
The number of the day is 10.
Let's count to 10 together. 1 finger, 2 fingers, 3 fingers, 4 fingers, 5 fingers, 6 fingers, 7 fingers, 8 fingers, 9 fingers, 10 fingers. This is how you draw a 10. See and say 10.
I love cookies. I love cookies. Can I have a cookie, please?
Making cookies. A heart, a circle, and a star. We need flour, eggs, butter, and sugar. We have all the ingredients. Let's put everything in the bowl. Stir it up, Jilly. Now we're going to take the dough and put it on our flour. And we're going to roll and roll it flat. Then we'll take our cookie cutters and cut out the dough and bake them in the oven. Then we'll frost them. Here's your cookies, children.
Thank you for the cookies.
See and say. Star. Say star. Circle. Circle. Heart. Heart. Goodbye.
Bye.